Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Manolo Blahnik Fibiona in red. Now if you've not seen any of the other videos in my little designer shoe unboxing series, I've done a few videos on some Jimmy Choos that I've unboxed and compared, and now I'm moving on to the Manolo Blahniks. And again, we're going to be doing a similar process where I unbox each of the shoes individually, and then I'm going to compare all of them together to see which ones I'm going to eventually keep and which ones I'm going to send back. So I'm very excited about these videos in particular because I do not own a pair of Manolo Blahniks. So I'm very, very excited to get this unboxing underway. Ooh. So here is the box. It's quite small, I would say, in comparison to some other shoe boxes that I've had. It feels quite small, however, it feels heavy. And I think that's well, I hope it's the shoes that's heavy. We're going to just lift off the lid. Okay, so we've got dust bags here, 2. So with these, you do get 2 separate dust bags, so you can put both of your shoes in one bag each. Stunning. So this is the shoe in all her glory. I'm just going to get the packaging out of them so we can get a proper look. Okay, so hopefully these don't blend in and mesh with the outfit that I've picked. Obviously, I've colour coordinated my outfit to the shoes, but wow, how stunning are these? The shape of them, the colour of them, the fabric of them. Of course, this beautiful embellished buckle here is stunning. And also the heel. I love that. So, as we can see, these are beautiful. I don't know if you can see, but the fabric of these is actually, it kind of looks like it's got a ripple effect going through the fabric. It's not just a solid red fabric, so the dimensions of the fabric actually really come out, so you're not just looking at a flat red colour. It kind of shines in ripples, and I think that's gorgeous. And then of course we've got that stunning big circular diamante buckle on the middle strap there, which is just absolutely gorgeous. It is glittering like I don't know what. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it is so glittery and sparkly. It's gorgeous. And the thing that I love about these shoes is this kind of differing thickness of straps. I think that makes them look really modern. I don't know, I just really like that about them. The fact that it's not just the same strap twice. This one is much thicker and I love it. And as you can see here, the heel flares out towards the bottom. So that obviously gives a really nice element of stability compared to a normal stiletto, which just goes straight down into a point, which is great. And I know this is not something about the actual shoe itself, but if you can see the sort of leather detailing that is on the sole there, it's kind of detailed with kind of like some holes and dots, and I don't know, it just looks super pretty. I know you won't actually see that on the shoe, but it's just a nice little detail for when you're looking at the shoe just as it is. I just think it's a nice little touch. So in terms of the comfort levels of this shoe, I would say that the heel height is nice. It's not too high. Your foot doesn't feel too much at a slant. So it's quite a nice heel in the fact that it looks really high. It looks really nice. It looks really like sexy. But your foot isn't going to be dying wearing these. But what I will say is this strap, this thicker strap in the middle of your foot, obviously that is the strap that is keeping your foot in the shoe. So it does have to be somewhat tight and secure so that your foot isn't flailing about in the shoe. But for me, it just feels slightly compressing on the foot. It's nothing uncomfortable, but it just feels a bit too tight, just the tiniest bit. It's nothing that would essentially put me off the shoe, but it's just something to consider. For example, if you're wearing these, and obviously it's a sandal, so you're not going to be wearing this probably in winter or anything, and if your feet get hot, your feet swell, so that might be something to consider if you were going to buy these. Also, when you're on your feet a lot, if you're planning on wearing these for a long time, your feet do tend to swell a bit as well. So it's just something to think about when you're thinking about the comfort of the shoe and the practicality of the shoe as well. But apart from that, the shoe is really comfortable. Your foot is nice and secure in it, that's what I will say. Even though it's a sandally mule thing where your heel is exposed, your heel is not rising in and out of the shoe. It feels nice and secure, and it is quite comfortable, I will say. It's not the most comfortable shoe I've ever put on, but it's not something where I put them on and think, wow, these really aren't going to be comfortable. The strap is just something to consider and something to think about, but they are absolutely beautiful. When you just hold them up and when you just look at them together, they're just absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And this colour is absolutely gorgeous. It's like fiery red. Almost a bit corally red, but it is red. So overall, I would say that the look of them is absolutely stunning. The colour is wow, but so is the buckle. The buckle adds a little bit of glitz, a little bit of glamour into it. And I love the heel, the flared heel as well. I think that not only will be comfortable because it provides more stability than if it was a pointed stiletto, but it is stylish as well. I think it adds something else to the shoe. And these are comfortable. They are really secure to walk in, considering it's a sandal and it's open toe, it's open heel, everything's open, yet your foot feels super secure and super comfortable in them. It's just that this band across here is something to think about when you're actually wearing the shoe for an extended period of time, let's say. Ooh, the sun! This is glittering all over. If the sun wants to bugger off, that'll be great. Don't bugger off forever, just for now. So yes, these are definitely a contender. I do really, really like them. I love the way that they look and they are comfortable. So, thumbs up from me. So that is the end of my Manolo Blahnik Fibiona unboxing. Let me know what you think of these babies down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you're not subscribed, get subscribed so that you can keep up with this series and more of my videos. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!